We're working on a new song right now called Started in the Middle Class.
Started from the middle, now we here. Hey, started
From the middle,
now we still in the middle class.
Yo,
Yo, Tim.
what's good?
Yo, I'm gonna pull up right now. Is it cool if I bring one of my friends with me?
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright, we'll be there in a little bit. Alright, later. See, I told you it'd be fine.
All right, man. As long as you say it's fine, I mean, we're good.
What up, guys? This is my friend Pete. Sorry, this is my friend Spider-Man. He likes
Spider-Man. Must have been a headache at the DMV.
How you boys doing?
What's up, bro?
So where are you from, dude?
New York City.
Yeah, get a little more specific.
Yeah, Queens. Just
What's up with the suit? Why are you wearing a
Is it a weird outfit? I mean,
suit? I mean, yeah, it's kind of fucking weird. You're wearing a skin-tight onesie. You got a fucking spider on his chest. What is it?
Tom, he's cool. He's cool. Just chill.
All right, sit down.
you guys got White Claws?
Are you a narc? Are you a cop?
Can I grab a
Smoke
claw?
this if you're not a cop. Don't blow it in my face.
Hey, chill out.
Yo.
Yo.
Check your shit, bro. From Queens, man.
I don't give a fuck where you're from, bitch. I don't give a fuck where you're from. You stupid ass fucking costume. Where'd you get this? Would your mom make you? Would she knit this for you?
Yeah, my parents are dead, so that's really funny.
That's my bad, dude. I'm sorry about that.
I live with my aunt. My uncle died as well.
Oh my god. Yourself at home, man.
She's cool.
Sorry about the whole thing.
That's all good, man.
Yeah, you're gonna love this. I've been talking to this girl, bro. Redhead, hot. Met her in Queens, actually. Where you're from? You might know her.
For redheads.
Redhead.
Ah,
Queens?
what's her name? Mary.
What's her name?
Mary Jane.
Nah, I'm fucking.
Yo.
Talking to my fucking girl. You don't know shit about redheads, bro.
Yeah.
Those sloppy seconds, boy.
Yo, don't get in my car with that thing. Take the purse off, bro.
Dude, it's my fucking man purse. You want it to look so good for your fucking dentist?
No.
You're so shy.
They told me I had cavities, but when I was walking out, the lady at the front desk was like, "How'd you do?" And I was like, "I did so good that they want me to come back next week." What inspired this outfit?
You know, sometimes I just gotta put myself together a little bit, let people know that I still got it.
Ooh, is that Armani?
My mom didn't buy me these.
Double bubble, baby. I want to know who the hell on earth wears this.
It's literally something Tom would wear when he's like 50 years old and he retires.
Next clip, we're at the bar, like with fucking sweater vest. Back in the basement with the boys, just doing men shit. I've been calling out Charlie D'Amelio to a boxing match, and people are calling me Jake Paul. Do I look like a person who fights real fighters? No, I fight female TikTokers.
You're doing God's work, dude.
Alright guys, this is it. Tom's gonna attempt to break the world record.
fucking attempt to do it. I'm doing.
Tom is breaking the world
breaking
record.
the world
tracker.
record. I am the world record. Let's
You ready?
fucking go.
Just so everybody can see. So all
Yep,
the
there's
fucking,
a lot of
all
fucking
the
liquid
fucking
in here.
haters can see. Fold to the
A
top.
lot of fucking liquid in here, baby. Hey, doses and mimosas. Cheers, baby.
You think we broke it?
Fucking swallowed that.
That's me locking up C-Mac.
You look kind of young. That freshman year?
Mukbang.
This is gonna be called a fuck bang. We're gonna have sex with the food. Yo, have you ever seen this big ass freezer? I've literally never noticed. What the fuck is in here? Okay, we'll just leave that.
Dun, 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 dun.
Fight me, Tom.
No.
Fight me. What would be your supervillain power? Being fucking fat?
No!
Take it back. No. My brother. The last person I suspected.
Alright, this is real.
This is actually real. I got fans out here filming me, dude. Just a normal fucking Saturday. What is it, Friday?
Yo, that was
Actually crazy.
that was fast. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment what world record you want to see us break next, and also if you guys fuck with the hats, hit us up on Instagram at Good Guy Studios, and we'll get you one. We love you guys. Peace out.
Wait, dude, Tom, it's your fucking birthday, bro.
What?
Isn't it your birthday?
Holy shit. No, my birthday.
How old are you?
Happy birthday, bro.
33.
You know Steve Rogers, boy?